Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaw Sir Classes. In this channel, I'll be teaching for all students from class 6 to class 12 Karnataka State Board, CBSE, ICSE syllabus and etc. I'll be covering the full chapter, questions and exercises in my videos. In this video, I'll be going to give you the complete detailed information about the chapter statistics. See children, here for the chapter statistics of class 10th, insert maths, okay, and here some part of this videos will also be helpful for ICSE students also, okay. Here I am making this video into 3 to 4 parts, like I am going to cover all the important questions which is related to mean, mode, median, less than, type ogive, more than type ogive and so on. So I am going to give you the complete information about these all topics individually in all respective videos, okay. And in this session I am going to provide you very important questions as I have mentioned just now, and these are kind of a guaranteed questions for class 10th Karnataka State Board student, SSLC and even for CBSE students, okay. So this is very important. Once again I am repeating this thing, okay. Hope you all can take the advantage of this video to understand and learn the question and answers easily. Subscribe to my channel Shaw Sir Classes and do not forget to hit the bell button. Let's begin with the class. See children, here first question is, now this is the video which is respect to mean, okay. So here I have covered all the various problems. Here you can see some questions which is not there in your textbook, but they can be appear in the exam, means those questions can appear in the board exam final paper. So I am covering as per the examination point of view of questions. I want you all have to copy down these questions and start answering to these all questions. These questions are very important. Once again I am repeating this, okay. See children, the first question is, write the formula to find the mean. Second, if the mean of 4, 6, 8, 10, x, 14, 16 is 10, then find the value of x. Next, sigma f means sum of fi means sum of frequencies are 11 and sum of the product of frequencies and scores are 2p plus 52 and the mean of any distribution is 6, find the value of p. Next, find the arithmetic mean of the following frequency distribution. They have given scores and frequencies. Scores means x, frequency means f. They have given the values. You can see scores 3, 4, 5, 7, 10. Frequency 3, 4, 8, 5, 10. Just they are asking you to find the arithmetic mean. Now find the mean of the following distribution. Class interval and frequencies they have given. Next, find the mean number of plants per house from the following data. Number of plants and number of houses they have given. Class interval and frequency. Next question, find the mean of the first 5 odd multiples of 5. You have to first select which are the odd multiples of 5, means in 5 tables which are the numbers we are getting, those are odd numbers, the first 5 odd numbers in 5 tables, choose it and find the mean of that, that's it, okay. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 25, find the value of p. They have given the value of mean and they are asking you to find the value of p. Next, consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. So daily wages they have given here, as you can see, daily wages they have given in rupees and number of workers they have given. This is nothing but class interval and this is frequency. Now they are asking you to find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. As you wish, you can use any of the method, but as per the reduced revised syllabus, now they have given direct method. You can use direct method, Karnataka State Board students, and CBSE students you can follow any of your appropriate method, okay. But I prefer for CBSE students, better you can use step deviation method to solve this problem, okay. Next, coming back to the next topic, question number 10. The table below shows the daily expenditure of food of 25 households in the locality. So you can see here daily expenditure, this is nothing but class interval, number of households is nothing but frequency. Now they are asking you to find the mean by using suitable method. Suitable method means we have various methods like direct method, assume mean method, step deviation method, right. But here you can use suitable method, but Karnataka State Board students you can use as per this academic year 2021 Okay, you can use this direct method and you can solve this problem. And children, these questions are evergreen. I am telling you that these questions are evergreen. Okay, so any of the particular year you can use these questions, because these are the standard questions the examiner can choose while he is going to set the final question paper. So these questions will remain same for each and every academic year till you have insert maths the same syllabus. Right now what you have, till that these questions remains same, and the standard of these questions also will remain same. Okay, do not forget this, these are very important questions. Again I am repeating this. Next, calculate the mean for the following distribution table by direct method. They have mentioned here any method means you have to use only that method. Okay, and next question number 12, find the mean for the following data by direct method. They have mentioned here by using direct means you have to use direct method only. And children, I request you all that still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, so do subscribe our channel so that you can get to know the latest updates of our videos, and also you can let us know which video you want me to make next. Definitely I will get back to you. This is a channel, it's completely for free of cost, we have done it. Okay, you can utilize the opportunity to score a very good marks, and also you can get to know the examination point of view of questions also through our channel. Okay, next question number 13, calculate the mean for the following data, class interval and frequencies they have given. And next question number 14, as you can see the mean of 11 observations is 50. If the mean of first 6 observation is 49 and that of last 6 observation is 52, then find the 6th observation. Okay, children, this is quite standard question. Okay, but majorly this type of question will not be asked for state board students, Karnataka state board students. You no need to worry about this type of question, they won't ask you. But for CBSE level students you have to solve this question, it's must, you have to solve this question. CBSE class 10 students you have to solve this question number 14, but Karnataka state board students you no need to focus that much on this question number 14. Okay, I hope you all have liked this video, right? Do not forget to click the like button if you have liked our channel and the videos what we are uploading, and comment below how was this class, how was this session, how much useful for you all this topics, I mean these videos. You can let us know so that it will gives us a feedback so that we can use this to make the next video. Your comments are very important because your comments will let us know how are our videos and how much we can also improve to make you people to become a successful student for the upcoming board exam. Okay, thank you for watching, keep watching. Ask you all the friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes. Comment, like, share and subscribe once again. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck, do well, keep watching, bye. In the next video I am going to make the problems based on, now we have completed mean, now we are going to solve mode in the next video. Thank you.